Okay, here is my camera system that I installed. On top of there, and right up there, there's my dash cam. Alright, I'll go outside. That's the back view right there. And then here is my other cameras. I have two cameras that are not working because of cables. Did not get enough, but they're mounted. Here is my side cam. That's actually the cable that I got that does not work. So no big deal, easy fix. Just I don't know if you can see. Now you can't see it, but it's up there in the dash. And here's the driver's side. Oh, that's passenger side. Sorry. And then we'll walk back here. Yeah, I ordered, I didn't order enough cables, and then my one cable that's on the inside of the trailer, it's an old camera. Yeah, I thought it would work on the new system. You can only use it on the PAL setting, and I don't like that setting, so I don't have it on. I bought this camera actually separate. It did not come from Falcon. Bought it from another company. And then I'll show you the quick connect. There is the quick connect right there for that I had a little plate made, and then had that box made. That's with the quick connect. It's got 4 tethers. This is my line going under the trailer for the rear camera. Behind the box goes through the nose of the trailer, up the wall, and in the corner all the way for the inside camera. Like I said, I use an old camera. I didn't really like it, so I don't have it on. And then I have one bad cable because I use an old cable because I didn't order enough. But easy install, plug and play, run a power, and you're done.